Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol PrimeAi, which is the world's first chat GPT-4 powered Google killer app that generates human like responses, write codes, creates high quality content like ebooks, articles, poems and stories, Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube shorts, TikTok and reels and more, and also designs stunning AI arts and images with just a single keyword. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 50 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $10,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started. So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.